Hello guys, there we have a Honor 70 and today I will show you how you can send and receive fax messages on this device. So we have to start from the download some fax app. I'll choose that one. Now we have to open it and allow permissions. Now we are in the send fax section already, and to add some document click here. And now choose the source of the serial document. You can choose the image from the gallery, PDF from download files, or just take a photo. I will take a photo now. Now you can add a shape of your document. And if you are ready, click here. Now choose the filter for your file. And if you add a signature, click here, and if you want to add on text, click here. If you are ready, go and type the number here. If you want to add more documents, click here and choose the source again. But if you want to send only this one, click here. If you want to receive fax messages, click here, and we are now in the receive fax. To get the fax number, click here. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe or a comment, and goodbye.